Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video, as you have already seen the title, it's gonna be a flawless base makeup, how to do a flawless base makeup. And when you are new to makeup as well, and also you want to look dewy, glossy and effortlessly beautiful as well, and this is gonna be super helpful for you if you want something which is like this look doesn't have a lot of makeup products. It's still giving me a full coverage look and also stunning at the same time. So let's get started. For a flawless base makeup, you need to do a really good skincare. You cannot skip your skincare because there's definitely no way you can do a good base makeup or you can do that dewy base makeup without a skincare. So first do your skincare like I am doing, and also I have a dry skin, so I'm gonna do my skincare according to that, and you need to do your skincare according to your skin type. After doing your skincare, wait for some time so that it can marinate into your skin. I'm gonna use this setting spray, spray it all over my face like this. You can see the hydration and how much glowy my skin's looking. So apply a setting spray before doing your makeup like I have done. Now I'm gonna wait for some time to let it dry. Now if you have discoloration, pigmentation or any kind of darkness or dark circles, first fix that, because there's definitely no way you can get that flawless base without correcting your face. So for that I'm going to use this color corrector. First I'm going to apply this on my hand, because directly applying it on my face can make my base look orange. Better if you apply the product on the back of your hand. For applying this color corrector, first take this type of flat brush, and it should be really small. It is going to help you a lot. I'm going to buff this and I'm going to apply it wherever I have the darkness, because orange cancel out the darkness. Try to not over apply it. As I said, over applying the product can make it look orange or worse. So just apply it wherever you have the darkness. If you don't have that much darkness on your face, go for a peach color corrector. It's going to help you a lot. But I'm going to leave this area, like I have the pigmentation on my eyelids. I'm going to leave this because there is no need to color correct this area, so I'm going to leave it, as who needs to do a really heavy base makeup? I really don't like it, so I'm not going to do it. I'm just going to apply it under my eyes and around my mouth area, because this is where I have the pigmentation. That's it. And also some of it in this area and this one. Now if you have this type of pink blemishes, breakouts or this redness around your nose, this mouth area or wherever you feel you have, take a green color corrector, because green cancel out the red or pink. So I'm going to use the same brush and I'm going to apply it again on the back of my hand, and I'm going to again buff this brush into this green color corrector, and I'm going to apply it wherever I have the redness. If you want a flawless base, do not skip this color correction, because good base makeup needs time. So do not skip this. I honestly never skip this step. Even if I'm running really late, I always do this color correction. I mean, not everyone has a good skin unlike me, so I always do this, but it's okay for me, because as long as my base looks good, it's okay for me. Most of us think that it's kind of difficult thing to do, that doing the color correction and doing all the blending and stuff. Everyone can notice, because your base makeup turns gray. Yes, that's really true. I've done this mistake in the past. It doesn't matter how amazing my products are, if I don't do this step, there's no way I'm gonna look good in the makeup. If you do this step, there's actually no need for a high coverage foundation. You can look good while keeping your base makeup minimal when it comes to the foundation or the concealer. Now I'm gonna use a concealer over it, and wherever I have done the color correction, I'm gonna apply a concealer, but it should be a same shade concealer, the same shade of your skin tone and your undertone. You cannot do a lighter one or a deeper one. Don't do that. Now for concealing, I'm going to use this L'Oreal Infallible Concealer, which is in the shade 314, and I don't know how many years it's been since I'm using this same product, and I still haven't found any other alternate of this product so that my base can look more amazing. This is actually my third bottle. The other one is still there. I really love this product because it really makes my base makeup amazing and flawless. So you can try it as well. I'm gonna apply this over my color correction. There's no need to use it all over the face. I'm just gonna apply it, but not too much, like here and in this area, because we have to use foundation over it, so there's no need to apply it on all over the face. I'm just gonna apply it. Now for blending this concealer, take this type of big brush, and it's actually a blush brush. I never use a foundation brush. I don't know, but I found it really amazing when it comes to the foundation blending or any base makeup blending, because this brush is really big and fluffy, makes my blending really easy. So I'm gonna do it with this brush. As we know, summer is approaching, and in the summer our brushes get dry, and whenever we use it on our face, it feels really itchy. I mean, it happens to me all the time. So first I'm gonna apply a setting spray, and it's actually a really good way to blend your product in a seamless way, and you can see how amazing my product is blending. It makes my blending really easy. You can see I really love to do a flawless base makeup, but I don't like to keep it high coverage. So if you are getting what I'm saying, and I'm just gonna blend it by not dragging this brush, but just dabbing this like this. This is going to make your blending really easy, and it's not gonna make your base makeup patchy or what we call in our foundation cracks, because this is something I've heard a lot, that people says to me that their base makeup cracks a lot. This could be the reason that you drag your brush instead of just doing it like this. You can see how amazing the base is looking without the foundation. Now I'm going to use a setting spray over it because I have a dry skin and I'm feeling dry, so I'm going to apply a setting spray. You can also do this step, but if you don't feel the need, skip it. I'm going to apply a setting spray, and like I said earlier, I'm going to wait for some time to let it dry. For the foundation, I'm not going to use a foundation. I'm actually going to use a skin tint, which is from L'Oreal, and this is actually a really good one. I don't know if people actually like it or not, but I find it really amazing. But I'm not gonna take that drop and just do it like this. I'm just gonna apply it like this. This is going to give you a really amazing coverage. You can see I've not done any blending. It's still giving me that amazing flawless look. Now I'm gonna take the same brush and do the blending, and you can see the coverage. This is what I mean when I say I love to do flawless base, and this is how I do it. Not gonna lie, it's amazing. You can see, oh my god, unbelievable. But this is looking really amazing and speechless. I'm gonna use the concealer under my eyes, and for that I'll be using this Maybelline Age Rewind concealer. It should be 1 to 2 shades lighter to your skin tone, and I'm just gonna apply it under my eyes and also in this area. And I'm going to take this type of brush, a small blending brush, to blend my concealer like this, and I'm going to blend it the same way I blended my foundation. Some of it on my eyelid, but only in the inner lid. Now to set the base, I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder, which is in the shade light medium. You cannot leave your makeup here because this is looking greasy in this area. I'm going to apply a shade which is closer to my skin tone. Take this powder puff, diffuse it on my hand, and I'm going to apply it by pushing this powder puff upwards like this. You can see the difference between both the eyes. Some of it around the mouth area. Apply this loose powder on the eyelids as well. But first, blend any kind of creasiness you have on your eyelids by taking a blending brush and blending all that up. Then apply this on your eyelid so that you can have a really smooth base. Makeup is looking really matte, or base makeup. So I'm gonna apply a setting spray over it so that it can melt all my product, and this is gonna help you a lot. If your base turns matte, just apply a setting spray over it, because setting spray melts all the powder product. But I'm not gonna apply it too much. Then wait for some time to let it dry again. For the eyebrows, I'm gonna take this e.l.f. pencil, which is in the shade deep brown. I'm gonna use this brush over my brows in the upward direction, and I'm just gonna fill the gaps. Wherever I have the gaps, I'm gonna fill it. That's it. That's how I do my brows all the time. I never do it in a really harsh way because it doesn't suits me at all. I always try to do my makeup in a way that suits me. I never push myself into something that make me look something else or some other person. And I'm not saying that you should do the same, but it depends upon your preference, what you want to do when it comes to the makeup and other stuff. For the eyes, I'm gonna take a bronzer which is from Makeup Revolution. I'm gonna apply this shade on the outer corner by just dabbing it like this. I'm gonna blend it outwards with a really light hand to make it look more effortless. Blend it inwards as well, but not too much. And I'm going to apply it in the lower lash line as well. I'm gonna apply a copper glitter shade like this so that it can make my eyes pop. Now I'm gonna apply the mascara which is from Makeup Revolution. Again, I don't want really heavy lashes. I'm simply going to apply this mascara. Now I'm gonna apply the bronzer on my cheekbone, but not too much. And on the nose, but again not too much. And I'm gonna blend it upwards. It can look more flawless. Taking a liquid blush which is from Makeup Revolution, and this is a nude kind of a shade. It's a really dewy blush. And I'm gonna blend it like this in a dabbing motion. If you're doing a dewy base makeup, try to go for a lip combo which is glossy. I'm gonna go for a glossy lip combo. First, I'm gonna use this nude lip shade. Using a lip gloss which is from Makeup Revolution in the shade Autumn. Now applying a setting spray to bring back that glow. Let me know if you find this look useful or not, and if you liked it, make sure you like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.